Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to do a quiz on YouTube Creator Academy. Yes, as you have seen, I've already achieved letter of completion. It says awarded to Njogu Karongo, who is Lifestyle Tutorials, the quick start guide to YouTube. So what we'll do, I'll come and retake the quiz. Once I retake the quiz and I'll be able to. So once you enroll in YouTube Creator Academy, ensure first you will have to go through lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, then do the course exam. So for this tutorial is those guys who are trying to do who are trying to do to do the course exam. I'll take you one-on-one on how to do it. So I'll be giving you the answer. How can people discover your content on YouTube? YouTube.com on their computer, YouTube app on their phone, YouTube app on their smartphone. All of the above. All of the above. The answer here is all of the above, because people can discover content on YouTube channel through maybe a YouTube app in your smart TV, in their phone and their computers. That's the way people are able to access your content digitally. So that is the answer. We go to number 2. Number 2 asks what's a good question to ask yourself when defining your channel's mission. When defining your channel's mission, the thing that you should be aiming to is to ask is to inquire what impact are you bringing to your community. We are supposed to respond to 12 questions. We'll go to the next one. Why should you pay attention to your channel's name? The reason that we pay attention to a channel's name is that option 1 is it needs to be different from your real name. It helps to include trending keywords. It will always appear in your videos credit. This is the correct answer. The reason that we pay attention to the channel's name, this is a brand name. This is a brand name that will be associated with all the video content that you will always create. That is why we always appear in the video credits. So we'll go to option number 3. Before you publish a video, what's an important step to do? Before publishing a video, one of the important things to do is to ensure you give it a heading, you give it a thumbnail. The other thing is to ensure that you also add details to describe what your video is about. So the option number 2, populate the comments for each viewers to see. There is no need to do that. The right choice is add details to describe what your video is about. This one will help the algorithm to classify, and also it will help you to rank you in the search optimization engine, where Google algorithm will be suggesting your content to new people. What is basic definition of watch time? Basic definition of watch time is the amount of time that viewers watch your videos. So watch time hours, for you to get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days, and you have to ensure that you follow community guideline, ads guideline, and all the required guidelines. Which action help you build your community? The reason that you build your community is interacting with your fans. YouTube algorithm is very funny. The moment you respond to the YouTube algorithm, you're able to respond to the comments. It is obviously that your viewers will always like you and love your content also. So your channel branding should be simple, relevant to your channel, and consistent. All of the above. So that one, we are at number 7. We see your channel branding should be simple, relevant, and also consistent. So why should you use why should you use consistent branding? The reason that we normally use consistent branding is because you want your channel to be discovered in the search results. I think that is the correct answer, because this one because you want to the reason that you use consistent branding is let us see choice number 3 is because you want viewers to instantly recognize your brand, because you want to provide a fun experience, because you want your channel to be discovered in the search results. So the reason that we normally use consistent branding is because you want viewers to instantly recognize your brand. That is the reason that we normally use, because you want your channel to be discovered in the search results. Also, that one can be applicable but not very necessary. What branding element consists a welcome video to potential fans? So in your YouTube channel, like mine here, when I come to my to my video, which is my channel, which is lifestyle tutorials, I'll show you my trailer. The trailer. This is the trailer to my channel. Okay, so like my YouTube channel, when I come to my YouTube channel, this is the trailer. This is the introduction of my YouTube channel. It's about 0.44 seconds. It's a very clean trailer that I explain all that concerns the YouTube channel. This ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. These are the metrics of my YouTube channel. These lifestyle tutorials. And so the question was, what branding element consists of welcome video for for potential fans? The element that consists of a welcome video is called a channel trailer. Seeing defines a video on YouTube that seems inappropriate. What would you recommend to her? Once you find a video that is not inappropriate, maybe has sexual content, or maybe going against certain tribe, or maybe one that is bringing some maybe gender violence, the best thing is to flag the video for review. That is the best option. So you will receive a content ID claim. What does it mean? Content ID claim means a copyright owner has identified the content in your video that belongs to them. So this happens maybe sometimes when you are recording your videos, then you happen to music plays on the background that you don't have the copyright issues. So the owner can always claim a content ID claim when the copyright owner has identified the content in your video that belongs to them. So the last question is, what's a potential consequence of multiple copy strikes? If you have multiple copy strikes, your account will be terminated. Submit. So thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording. This is lifestyle tutorials. In case you have a query, just drop in the description link. You'll find my WhatsApp number where you can call me directly. This is the tutorial was on YouTube Creator Academy, and I'm able to achieve rate of completion through that. Thank you. I'll still keep creating more content in the YouTube Creator Academy, so that people may get to be familiar with the content from this place. Thank you.